deep dive into Retrieval Augmentation Generation or RAG. Today, we are going to explore the incredible capabilities and limitation of large language models, understand how RAG works, and walk through the code implementation step by step. Let's dive in. Large language model or LLM are neural networks trained on massive amount of text data. These models can understand and generate human-like text based on the input they receive. Think of an example like ChatGPT or Gemini. Imagine chatting with a machine that has a wealth of knowledge at its disposal. So what exactly is Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG? RAG enhances the capabilities of LLM by integrating them with external knowledge base. This means they can provide more accurate and up-to-date responses by pulling in relevant information. It is like giving your LLM a superpower. RAG operates in two main stages. Number one, the retriever fetches relevant documents from the knowledge base. Number two, the generator uses this relevant information to produce the final response. This ensures that the output is both relevant and informed by the latest data. It is like having a super intelligent assistant that always knows where to find the best information. The retriever plays a crucial role in making sure that the information used by the generator is both relevant and accurate. It searches the knowledge base using the methods like BM25, dense retrieval, or hybrid approach. Think of it as having a super smart librarian at your fingertips. The knowledge base is the information repository for the retriever. By indexing a vast array of documents, the knowledge base ensures that retriever can find accurate and comprehensive information to enhance the LLM's response. It is like having access to a massive library of knowledge. Now, let's take a look at the code flowchart for implementing RAG. So, number one, prepare and index documents. Number two, load the embedding model. Number three, load the LLM model. Number four, implement the retriever step. Number five, combine retrieval and generation. First, we will load our pre-trained open source large language small bloom model. This model will be responsible for generating text based on the retrieved information. Let's get started. Next, we will load the embedding model. This model converts text into embedding, which are numerical representation of text. This step is crucial for understanding the context. Now, let's prepare the document and create an index for efficient retrieval. This step ensures our retriever can quickly find the relevant information. Let's implement the retrieval step to fetch relevant document based on query. This is where the magic happens. Finally, we will combine the retrieved document with the LLM to generate the responses. This step ties everything together to produce accurate and informed answer. So what next? Looking ahead, we can explore number one, embedding enhancements. Number two, advanced information retrieval techniques. In conclusion, RAG enhanced the capabilities of LLM by integrating external knowledge base, enabling more accurate and up-to-date responses. We have walked through the code implementation to load models, prepare documents, retrieve relevant information, and generate responses. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or feedback, feel free to share them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Your support is greatly appreciated. See you in the next video.